Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to cook fried rice. Okay. So, itong fried rice na to, ang kasama niya is brown rice for healthiness at this time that we need it. Okay. You put already garlic and oil. Garlic and oil. Okay. So, yun guys, may garlic and oil nandito. And yung rice. It's a bit dry daw, so we'll be adding some water. Alright, we're back to cooking fried rice. It smells nice. It's still too dry, guys. So, Nanay is going to put some tubig, filtered water. Galing sa gripo. Okay. So, sometimes guys, cooking is a feel. Parang kung ano yung itsura niya, like photography actually. Brown rice siya, so magda-dry more?
Yeah, hold water as well.
Ah, brown rice, guys. Doesn't hold water as well. Brown rice, people. Is this it or lalagyan mo pa siya ng itlog?
No more, this is like sinangag lang. Garlic rice, huh? Just to warm up the rice. Garlic.
Alright. So, there you have it. Brown garlic rice for lunch. Okay, see you in the next video.